and gentlemen, good morning and thank you for allowing to speak about the essence of communication. From the moment we take our first breath, we begin to communicate through cries, gestures, expression, and eventually words. We, na- we navigate the world around us, but communication is much more than the exchange of information. It is the foundation of human connection, understanding, and progress. Communication is about more than speaking. It's about connecting. It's bridge of gaps between us, allowing us to build relationship, collaborate on ideas, and resolve conflict. It's how we share our thoughts, emotion, and experience, and it is how we came to understand the thoughts and experience of others. Whether through language, tone, or even silence, communication is the most powerful tools we possess. However, there is often misunderstanding when we talk about communication. Many believe it's only about talking, about expressing our own ideas and opinions. But real communication goes deeper. It's about listening. True listenings involve empathy, patience, and a willingness to understand rather than simply waiting for our turn to speak. It's through active listening. Then we can break down barriers, made relationship and build bridges where once there were divided. In a word, in a word, in the world where technology allow us to communicate instantly across great distance, we must remember the importance of truthful communication. It's easy to react quickly, to respond in haste, or to misunderstand one another in our fast-paced digital age. But meaningful communication requires intention, taking the time to understand the message we're sending and considering how it will be received. A careless word can create division, while truthful one can spark understanding and unity. Conflict is inevitable in any relationship, be it personal or professional, but how we handle it depends on how we communicate. Honest, open communication, though sometimes difficult, has the power to resolve issues before they escalate. It invites collaboration, fosters respect, and creates environment where the diverse ideas can flourish. Finally, the beauty of communication lies in it in its universality, regardless of our backgrounds, cultures, or beliefs. We, sh- we share the desire to heard and understand. Through communication, we experience our individuality. Yet we also find common ground. It is the tool we use to build more exclusive, empathetic, and cooperative world. Communication is more than skill. It is an art. Requires it requires not just our voice but also our ears, not just our word but also in our heart. As we go forward, let us embrace the power of communication to listen deeply, to speak clearly, and understand genuinely. For in doing so, we can transform not only our relationship but in the world around us. That's all. Thank you.